Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be looking at some arithmetic operations in Python. But before we start the video, you have to know this thing. In Python, there are two different types of variables. There is a whole number, like 10, and then there's a decimal number, like 10.1. Well, we don't call them whole and decimal numbers. We call them floating points, which is 10.1, or a float for short, or integers, or int for short. Anyways, let's get into the video. So, press that on. So here we can print 1 plus 1. If I run this, as you can see, it's going to give me 2. And we can do the same thing for minus, which is going to give me 0. I'm not going to run all of these. You can also do the same thing for multiplication. I'll show you this one actually. So 2 times 3. If I run this, it's going to give me 6. And we have two types for division. So we have a single divide, like 3 divided by 4. And then we have a double divide. Let me show you the difference. So 3 divided by 4, what is that? Let's run this. 0.75. But if I do a double divide on this, it's going to be 0. Now, let me give you a different example. So we have 10 divided by 3, because this one didn't really make sense to you. But now it will make sense all clearly. We have 3, and it will show you 3.333335, whatever. If we divide this again and run it, it's gonna give me 3. So what's gonna happen is if you do double divide, it's gonna forget about whatever comes after the decimal and only give you the whole number. That's why when the answer for our last division was 0.75, it forgot about the 0.75 and only gave us 0. Yeah. Now, other than these basic arithmetic operators, we also have a few more advanced ones. Like this, mod. What does mod do? Well, let's run it. Basically, it gives you the remainder. So you can fit 3 into 10 3 times, and it will be 9, and you have a remainder of 1. If this was 11, let's say, and I run this, it'll give me 2, because you can fit 3 times into 11, it'll be 9, and there'll be 2 remaining. Finally, we also have exponents, or powers. Basically, we have multiply, so 11 times 3 will be 33. But if you put 2 multiplications together, it will raise it to the power. So 11 times 11 times 11. So 2 asterisks. Run it. And as you can see, it gives me 1,331. That'll be all for today's video. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time.